yesterday we went to Tiaong, Quezon because it was the town fiesta of that place, and we went to visit Carla's friend over there, Brian, and we stayed at his place after having a night of drinks, videoke. No, we didn't. No. Cut. Okay. All right. So now we are at a place called Bato Springs. It was on our way home, and we decided to stop a while for a perfect cure for the hangover. And right now, I'm gonna show you some clips about this place and when we went swimming. So we're finally going to be eating late lunch. It's 3 p.m. and we pulled over to this stop at the highway. And we're going to be having extra toppings of Batangas Lomi. So we're having Loming Batangas, which is made of these fat noodles, rich pork broth, some pork meatballs, pork chicharron, full boiled egg, and some liver, which we don't eat, so we took that away. So yeah, it's very good. It's I think you can buy a bowl for 30 pesos for the regular, 50 pesos for special. We're having double toppings for just 70 pesos. It's really cheap, and it's really big. It's very heavy. We're all full. Yeah.